Let's solve this Olympiad equation together. It says 5 to the power of x is equal to 30. How do we do this? First thing we do is that we can establish 30 to be equal to 5 times 6. Hence we have 5 to the power of x will be equal to 5 multiplied by 6. Okay. Now we can take the logarithm of both sides here. Hence we have logarithm of 5 to the power of x will be equal to logarithm of 5 times 6. Okay. Now we can now say that logarithm of a to the power of b is equal to b times log of a, and then logarithm of a times b is equal to logarithm of a plus logarithm of b. Applying this here, so we have, for this side we have x times log of 5 to be equal to log of 5 plus log of 6. Moving on, we're going to have x to be equal to log of 5 plus log of 6 divided by log of 5. From here, we now have that x is equal to log of 5 over log of 5 plus log of 6 over log of 5. Hence, our x now becomes equal to 1 plus log of 6 to the base of 5. Okay, so this is how you find the answer for x in this equation quickly. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.